Bonjour. So student, as I told you that in this video I am going to share the answer keys of question number 1 and 2. So I am explaining it first of all, and the rest of the questions we will do in the next Zoom class. Okay. So now the first question is trouver la question. It means find the question. So the answers have given here. You have to find out the questions. Now in this question you have to again revise les adverbs interrogative. It means the adverbs of interrogation. Okay, that I have already explained you. This table is very important. So there are 5 adverbs interrogative. Okay, où, where, quand, when, comment, how, combien, the how many, and pourquoi is why. Okay, so you can use these adverbs when you frame a question. Now we can see the answer here. So the first answer is nous allons à Paris. We are going to Paris. Okay, now if this is the answer, we are going to Paris, so what will be the question? Where are you going all? Where you all are going. Okay, where you all are going. So for where, you already know that for where we use où. Okay, so où and you all we use for vous. And what will be the conjugation of aller verb with vous? It's aller, ALLEZ. Okay, so the question will be où allez-vous. Next one, c'est mon frère. This is my brother. So simple question. Qui est? Okay, who is this? Then elle va à la gare. Where she is going to the station. So what will be the question? Where is she going? So où va-t-elle? Now why I have inserted T? Because the conjugated verb is ending at A and the next word is starting from a vowel. So this is a rule. If the conjugated word doesn't ends at T or S and the next word is starting from a vowel, so you will put T in between. Okay, so it will be où va-t-elle. Now mon père reste à Nice parce qu'il a du travail. My father stays in Nice because he has work there. Okay, or he is having work. So if this word is coming in your answer, parce means because. So always remember that for this answer the question will always start from pourquoi, why. See, we answer to the question pourquoi by using parce. Okay, so pourquoi means why. So the question will be why your father stays in Nice. So pourquoi ton père reste à Nice. Ma cousin est très sympa. My cousin is very sympathetic. So how is your cousin? Comment est ta cousin? Now ma है ना, it means feminine. Cousin ending at E, it means feminine. So feminine के लिए we use ta, your cousin. And how के लिए we use comment. So comment est ta cousin. Ça sont des tomates. These are tomatoes. So what are these? Simple question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Jacques part à 6 heures du soir. Jack is leaving at 6 o'clock in the evening. So when is Jack leaving? Again, when के लिए use होता है quand. Okay, quand. So when is Jack leaving? So the question will be quand Jack part-il. Quand Jack part-il. Il habite à Toulouse. They are living in Toulouse. So what will be the question? Où habite-il? Où habite-il? See, the conjugation of habite verb will change according to the pronoun. Elle a deux frères. She is having 2 brothers. Combien de frères a-t-elle? How many brothers they have? She has. Nous allons au pique-nique dimanche. We are going to a picnic on Sunday. What will be the question? Quand allez-vous au pique-nique? When they all are going for a picnic. Ma sœur nage très bien. My sister swims very well. So how your sister swims? Comment nage ta sœur? Comment nage ta sœur? Je regarde la télé with our amis. Okay, I watch television at 8 o'clock. 8 and a half. It means 8:30. So, when do you watch TV? Quand tu regardes la télé? Okay, so similarly you can frame the questions of the other answers as well. Now the second question is compléter avec savoir ou connaître. Now the meaning of savoir and connaître is same, that you know, it's to know. But when we use savoir, when we use connaître, savoir we only use when to know about facts and information. Connaître we use to know about person, place or thing. Okay, so now here we just check the questions. In the second question, complétez avec savoir ou connaître. Je dash quand il arrive. Okay, so it means we are talking about arrival, departure. So je sais quand il arrive means I know when he arrives. I know when he arrives. Monique et toi dash vous cette belle ville. Monique and you dash vous cette ville. Now know this beautiful city. Now it is coming about city, place, so we are using connaît. Now Nicole dash jouer au tennis. We are talking about like the information is coming from Nicole that she knows how to play tennis. Okay, so say will come. Then dash tu la servius là-bas. Okay, this is also, what is là-bas? La means there. Okay, here connaît will come. Est-ce que vous savez combien de café je bois par jour? So again information is coming, so savez. Okay, so now this type of questions you have to practice a lot. So using these examples you can frame your own questions and answers and you can solve it. Now the other questions we will be doing in the class. Okay, so practice these two questions. Try to do these 12 questions very well. Okay, so that's it for today. Au revoir. See you in the class.